Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. My friends, this video is very important, very urgent for all XRP Ripple coin holders, so keep watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates, because ABS Tech channel updates you every time from a new cryptocurrencies news, which is very important for all of you. Now at this time, if we look the latest update of the XRP, so you can see here, let me show you, friends. Now at this time, the XRP Ripple coin latest price of the XRP in the market is 0.990000001 USD dollar is the latest price of the XRP in the market. On the other side, if we look the BTC price of the XRP, so 0.00002737 BTC is the currently latest price of the XRP Ripple coin, my friends. Now, my friends, as I told you in my previous videos that we are going to the moon, so let's see. You can see this 24 hours volume is going to increase, and people want to invest in XRP because they know about the future of the XRP. That is why the people want to invest in XRP Ripple coin. You can see if we look the price chart of the XRP, so now that is the last one day. The previous time, no, sorry, the last one day, and that is the previous time chart of the XRP previous month. So now you can see the price is going fast down, but now at this time they start moving upward. You can see here, look at this time, they start moving upward, and it is the end of May and start of June. So finally, friends, the whole change is occurring in the XRP Ripple coin as here, my friends. They change your life from this point. You can see here, that is the changing point of your life, my friends, believe me. And now my friends, as I told you in my previous videos that the XRP huge pump are coming soon in the start of June, so same like that occurs at this time. Now it is a jumping time, the pumping time of the XRP starts now, so enjoy and be happy with the XRP Ripple coin. And don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel, my friends. The video is important because in this video I suggest for everyone, I recommend for everyone, it's time to hold, not to sell. In the start of month, never sell any cryptocurrencies in the start of month. Remember that in the start of month, every cryptocurrency is moving upward, because the new investor comes in new coin, so that's why the price is going upward. So don't decide to sell, it's time to hold and hold. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about XRP? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.